Everybody, another new video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Hitman contracts in a very easy way. So what I'm going to fix in this video is the map is frozen. So all you have to do is just download this piece of software which is called Riva Tuner. It's pretty trusted, don't worry about it. So I'm gonna of course leave the link to this application down in the description if you want to check it out. So you just you just need to download this app, and after downloading this app, just install it by just clicking next. After you have installed the app on your PC, all you're gonna need is just to click on it. After clicking on it, it's gonna be down at the taskbar. So click on it as you see here, and just click on add and go to the game, or just go to the game where the game is. So just click on the game and go to the frame rate limit and set the frame limit to 60. So why did I do this? Because like all games don't work well with the high frame rates. Okay, then let's go to the game and test it out. Okay. Let's shoot some guards. Okay, it's working just fine. What normally was happening before limiting the FPS, you're not gonna see that death scene that you just saw here. You're not gonna see it. So, and for more testing, let's go to the training. Okay, training is just working fine. So normally training doesn't just work fine if you're not limiting the FPS. So as you see here, everything is just working fine, as you see. So this is the video. I hope this video helps. See you in another video.